First, scan the QR code on the handle box to download the MUI app, then enter the app, allow permissions as prompted. It also requires open permissions. Click to allow. The permissions that need to be allowed are shown here. The first one is the floating ball permission. Find the MUI application, allow the floating window permission, and click back. The second one is the use access permission. Click to allow. The third one is location information. There we only choose to allow it in the application. The fourth one is to allow background behavior. Select unrestricted. Opening the permission settings is all done. We click on any key to make the controller work. There is a pop-up window for identifying the phone. Click OK. It can be connected to controller without pop-up window. Controller needs to be reinstated if cannot be recognized. It shows the wired mode. The indicator light is blue. Games that already were recognized are shown here. Games that haven't been recognized, get them through adding, slide, and find the games that need to be added. Pop-up windows is successfully added. Click to enter to play. Shooting games, such as Game for Peace. The third operation method I recommend, if the layout is set by yourself, then needs to click to adjust the configuration after the key that needs to be adjusted is aimed at the corresponding icon position, click to save. Games can be played normally, basic layout set plus the floating ball, and choose a new configuration. Drag the key you need to the corresponding icon. Place the RP on the fire key icon. Set the keys on the shooting key as the fire key attribute. The joystick radius is recommended to adjust to about 18. Set the RP as a perspective mode. The basic set are completed after that. No need change others. Advanced operation set, connection set. Here need to add two keys. One is the fire button and the other is the connection switch. Click the adjustment configuration in the floating bar. The fire button had been added before, just add another key. The parameters of the continuous point speed also needs to be adjusted in the fire button. The set is 10. Note, do not even exceed the number of bullets, otherwise the performance will not be worthwhile. Let's show the connection effect. Now we don't have it. Now we have the continuity effect. Next, show the set of a one quick combo move plus the floating ball. Add an arbitrary key. Double click to edit. Choose basic macro. Click edit. Show the special skill as an example. There are 3 actions totally. Add 3 keys. Drag to the corresponding icon position and order. Each key needs to be adjusted its time interval. The recommended interval is 0.3 seconds. After adjustment, click to save. There are 4 triggers, totally, choosing it according to needs. Show the effect after saving. Basic layout set. Click on the floating ball, click the new configuration, drag the key you need to the corresponding position, click to save, and complete the set. Advanced settings, skills associated joystick settings. Click the adjustment configuration of the floating ball. Edit the key that needs to be associated. Change the attribute to the associated joystick. The left and right joystick both can be corrected. It's best to choose the associated right joystick. The joystick radius can be customized according to habit. Skills that need to be released reversely. It needs to open the joystick reverse, then click Save to Use. The set of one quick replacement of Resurrection Army. The first step is to pre-order Resurrection Army. Take the store panel as the background board. To calibration macro position better, click the adjustment configuration in the floating box. Add a key arbitrarily. Click Edit. Choose Basic Macro. Enter the macro editing page. There are 5 actions in one quick replacement of Resurrection Army. Then need to add 5 keys. Place it according to the order of action. Note, there are numbers below each added key. Each key must be adjusted the time interval, generally about 0.3 seconds. You can adjust the time interval according to the actual situation. There add combo move. If repeat with green, click to save it to use it same way as set one-click combo move. Basic page layout set. Click the selection configuration in the floating bar. Drive the required key to the corresponding icon position. The layout can be customized and adjusts according to habits. Note that special skill icon includes for small skill. You can release it by adding the right joystick if the position is too small to place for keys, then you can start playing. After setting, click to save. If there is no official configuration, you need to manually create a new layout configuration. Click the selection configuration in the floating bar, choose a new configuration, a key that needs to be added. Drag the key to the relative icon, set the right joystick to view mode, click to save, then you can start playing. After completing all the set, MOE can be turned off or removed. It's available to play as usual, as well as play it by entering game directory. No need to set up. The layout of the joystick is based on the last entry data.